रहा है कहीं पे। ओके, एक सेकेंड। हाँ, दिख रहा है ना? ठीक है। डेस्कटॉप ऑडियो, डेस्कटॉप ऑडियो, Hey, hi Abhishek. Yeah, we can continue.
Yes. So that will be the kitchen design.
Okay.
Okay. Coming to the master bedroom.
So the kitchen design that you showed, right? Do we have any? Sorry, there was no audio.
Yeah. Can you tell me again? Your voice is not audible.
Okay. Now am I audible?
Yes. You're
Okay.
audible.
So about that kitchen thing, right? What you showed me. So it's like can we see that kind of thing? How it looks when with any color? How it looks like finally if it is in some
Yes.
house actually.
Basically, what is it like? This is just for the sample.
Right.
After the booking, we'll come to the site
Okay. Okay.
and we'll take the exact measurement because in the plan and in the site there will be some difference in the measurements.
Right. Right.
Yes, so we'll go to the site and we'll take the exact measurement
Okay.
and we'll give you CAD first, AutoCAD,
Okay.
and the next we'll give you the real rendering 3D images.
Okay.
That will be like exactly as same as the original ones.
Okay. Why I'm
This
asking is because like you are showing us one kind of layout and
Yes.
you must have been having different kinds of layout, right? So if we say okay, this is one is what I am liking, so then your work would be kind of easier as well, right?
Yes, this is basically according to myself. If
Okay.
you have anything in if you need some tall units or microwave oven units in
Okay.
anything, you can let me know so I can plan give it according to that. I will plan and I will redo it again.
Right. Yeah. That is one thing. So what I was asking, like you can say if that is possible or not. You
Yes,
can
it is possible.
like you can show me that I have these kinds of layouts apart. This is one layout which you are showing me.
No. Basically, I have done this entire thing. We only get this. If, for example, these will be the draws.
Mm-hmm.
These are of different sizes,
Correct,
basically.
correct. Yeah, I got it. What I'm
Yes,
saying is like this is one layout, one kind of layout which you are showing me, right?
yes.
So
I can show you another BOQ. One second.
okay,
So this is another BOQ. This is just a parallel kitchen.
okay,
Yes, I have done aluminium shutters here. I have given oven and microwave, and below there will be a, drawer, and this will be a tall unit.
no. This is fine. This is good. This is excellent. What I'm saying is like if you have seen, right? We have booklets, PDFs, different things in which we see different kinds of designs and stuff, right? So like based on that also we can choose, okay, this design I'm liking, can we have this kind of layouts? That is what I'm saying.
No. In list space, there won't be any type of layouts. This can be customized according to your preferences. Like
Okay.
if you need anything in kitchen,
Okay.
we can keep that. Or else, if you need a basic kitchen, also we can keep that.
Okay.
So according to your preferences only, we will design this.
Okay. Got it.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Please continue.
One minute. Yes. So coming, this is the kitchen, and coming to the wardrobe.
Okay.
This is a master bedroom layout. This will be the entrance.
Okay.
Yeah, here there will be a window. This
Okay.
place.
Okay.
Yes,
We have window in. Oh, okay. Yeah. This one is corner one. Yeah. Right.
yes. This will be a window. Here I have given a TV unit,
Okay.
and this will be the place for the wardrobe.
Okay.
Yes. So it looks similar to this. This wardrobe will be of 8 feet,
Okay.
and there will be open spaces on the left side corner of the wardrobe,
Okay.
and this will be a TV unit with a small storage.
Okay.
Coming to this is the internal part of the wardrobe carcass. There are totally 3 drawers in it. Hello.
Yeah. Continue.
Yes, there are 3 drawers, and there are shelves. If you need any more shelves, we can customize that also.
Okay.
Yes.
This is for
Kuch.
this open one is there, right? The one which
Yes.
is kept. That is for what? Like how you for what?
This is for hanger. This
no,
this
not
dot,
that one. Your left corner, the open.
this one.
No, the first one in that cupboard. We
This
have,
one.
Yes.
This open space is for keeping some artifacts or some plants.
Showcase
Okay,
kind of.
showcase.
Yes,
For showcase.
just for showcase purpose. Yes,
Okay, okay.
yes. Yes, this is a guest bedroom. Beside the door, there is only this wardrobe is of 6 feet.
Okay.
Yes. This is a 6 feet wardrobe. The internal part will be there are two drawers on each side,
Okay.
and this will be for the hangers. These both, and this is this for the storage. The top part will be for the storage.
Okay.
Yes. And same for the kids bedroom also. This is a 6 feet wardrobe.
Okay.
The internal partition carcass will be like this, and we have like 2 to 3 designs also. We can add planks if you don't need any hanger rod.
Okay.
Yes, and we have many types of study units. This is one type of study unit in that. This is an open rack, and this will be a unit. This will be a unit. This is a complete unit.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
That is very small, now.
If yes, this is basically 3 feet in width. If we need 5 feet, also we can keep 5 feet.
Okay. And is there like I want a study area which is like it gives a office type vibes, have more spacious and like that.
Okay, I got it. You need this in this place only, right?
Yes.
To this wall only.
Yes.
Yes. I can share you the images. I will redo it and I will share the images.
Like L shape, and like if you put a chair like office chair, when you are not using also, it can go under comfortably. Less area it will take.
Okay. So that will come under non-modular. As I said earlier, only in modular there are only specific designs where we can keep them. If it's in non-modular, we can do any type of design.
Okay.
Yes. Coming to the this is one type of crockery unit. This is of 7 feet in width.
Sorry. This will come in the dining hall.
Yes.
Yes, this will come in the dining. This is of glass, and these 4 are the drawers.
And this view is from the kitchen.
Kitchen side.
Yes, I can show you the view also. One second. Yes, exactly the same placement. This one.
Okay. 1 second. This is okay. Got it.
So these are with the glass. These 6, 1, 2, these 4, and the top 4. 2 are of glasses mirrors with aluminum shutter, and this is an open space in between them.
Okay.
Yes, this will look this will look similar to this.
Okay.
This is an open space. These are the 2 open shutters. These are the 4 open shutters. These are 4 drawers.
Okay. Okay.
So the two upper ones are there, na, in the crockery. They have shelves, right?
Yes, they have 2 shelves on both.
Sides. Okay.
Yes. So this will be the TV unit.
Okay.
This yes, this cabinet is of 1.5 feet.
Okay.
These are the 2 open shutters. This is a drawer, and these are the 2 open shutters. And the back side of this is a paneling, just a paneling to cover the wires and anything.
Okay. So that is like plywood or something else.
Yes, it's of plywood.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So, one second. So this is done according to your requirement for the fall ceiling and everything. I will share you some designs.
Okay.
If you like the designs, I can give the quotation for them also for the fall ceiling. If there any requirement of beds or anything, I can give them to you.
Okay. Sure.
Yes. So in total, that is like 8,96,000, and the handling fees that includes the GST.
Okay.
Yes. So we have given 15% off for the overall quotation.
Okay.
So, yes. So that comes to 8,34,000.
Okay.
So if you are when you are coming to EC or Experience Center,
Okay.
we'll book a slot. So for that booking slot, we will give another 5% discount.
Okay.
If you yes, it's like if you cross 3.5 lakh plus in live space, you will get a offer of hob and chimney.
Okay.
Yes, that hob and chimney will be of CAF brand. That will be a four burner inbuilt hob, and the chimney is like a normal chimney.
Okay.
It's yes, 1000 CFM chimney.
Okay. Okay. And why we are getting that 15% discount?
15% discount. Basically, every client will bargain at the end. So what we'll do is initially, according to the quotation, we'll give 15% discount.
Okay.
Yes, that 15% discount will be from my end, because it's like I have only the authority to give 15%.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, if you are coming to EC, and after that, if you're doing a booking,
Okay.
it will be going to the manager. So I can speak to the manager if you come to the EC, so we can discuss there and we can close the deal.
Okay.
So the discount will be increased. It depends
5%.
upon the manager.
Okay.
Yes, I can only give 15% discount. That's only in my hand. So
Okay.
Okay. And
yes,
one more doubt I have, ki like in the kitchen or wherever some granite we have to keep. So do that also are involved here?
no, the granite is exclusive in the quotation. If you need granite, that will come under
No,
non-modular.
like because see where that stove and where that kitchen area, and
Yes.
at like that kitchen, open kitchen, we have that 5 feet. So
Yes,
there
yes.
also granite only is kept generally, not the wood.
Yes, yes.
So
Yeah,
for
basically, we'll give support for the keeping the granite. It's like after the cabinets, we'll have a 18 ply on top of the cabinet. So on above that, we should keep the granite.
Okay.
So yes, so we can keep pads, granite, or Korean also.
but that is not included in this, right?
Yes, Live Space doesn't provide the top granite or anything.
Okay.
That will be done by non-modular team. That is like us. We can give it to you from our end.
Sure. Sure.
Yes. Basically, why? Because most of the builders will provide granite or quads.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. So we didn't include it in that.
No issue. Yeah.
Yes. So overall, this will be the I will do the changes what you have mentioned, and I will share the design again.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So,
So when are you planning to come to our experience center?
like my parents will be coming here in 2 to 3 days, and then we'll
Okay.
plan. I'll let you know before itself.
Sure. Your possession is in August, right? Your sorry,
Basically,
April. April.
yeah. It's not exact date they did not give us.
Okay.
Formally, they have given papers that next year December, but informally they told that by April and June we can take over.
Okay, okay. Basically, coming to the booking section, the advance will be like 25,000,
Okay.
which will be refunded in 7 days. If you don't like it, we can refund that in 7 days.
Okay.
Or else, if you are okay with the leave space, that 25,000 will be added to your whole BOQ,
Okay.
whole quotation.
Okay.
Yes, we will minus that when you are paying. We will take like 25,000 in advance first.
Right.
After that, we will start the site visits with drawings and everything. After your approval, you have to pay 40%.
Okay.
And before the installation, you have to pay 50%, the remaining 50%.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Um. Okay.
Yes. So
Uh,
overall, what is your experience with this BOQ and through live space?
so this okay. If we are done with the drawings, right? Can we talk about cost a bit? Like
No, the drawings won't cost you anything. That
no,
is
no, no, no.
included in the quotation
No.
itself.
I'm talking about quotation only. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go to guest bedroom once.
Yes, I. Yes,
or
this is
or
the
any
guest.
bedroom. Yeah, this
Yes.
is guest bedroom, right?
Yes, this is the guest bedroom.
Okay. So in quotation, right, we were given that guest bedroom would be 131. And
Yes.
okay, so in this, right, mainly we are getting what in terms of this interior, only cupboard is what I see.
Yes.
So
1 minute, I will open the quotation also.
sure.
So I'll tell an example for the kitchen. Is it okay?
Yeah, anything is fine.
Yes. So we are providing. These are the handles for the kitchen.
Okay, just a second. I'm
Yeah.
opening that quotation for kitchen. Just a second. Kitchen, yeah, 247. Okay, go ahead.
Yes. As I said earlier, the carcass will be of plywood.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and the shutter will be of MDF.
Right.
Yes. This is the this is a high gloss laminate.
Okay.
Yes, this is an aquaguard unit for. As you can see in the picture, it
Right.
will come as a unit from the company itself.
Right.
Yes.
And that unit is 4.5 something, 4.5K. Okay, continue.
Yes. It all comes with end to end, like handles, end caps, and everything, the knobs.
Yeah, that is what unit is, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so 1 second. So this is the guest bedroom.
Okay.
This is the carcass of a bedroom. The
Right.
carcass.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. These are the shutters. The down part will be of shutter.
Right.
The
So
carcass itself.
as an end user, right, what I see is
Yes. It's
let's say this we are talking about which
Guest bedroom.
guest bedroom.
yes.
So
Guest bedroom.
as an end user, what I see is For guest bedroom, I am getting only cupboard.
Yes.
Let's say it's a first class, top model, top quality, full excellent wood, excellent material. But
Yes.
overall, I am getting only a cupboard.
Yes, you are only getting a cupboard.
Right. So for
For the
that,
for 1 lakh, you are getting only a cupboard of 6 feet.
no, it's 1,31,000 and only one cupboard.
Yes, yes.
So what do you say on that? Like your inputs is what I'm asking. Is that
So
even
because
reasonable?
yes, yes, there will be price difference if you use different material. Like as earlier I said, the main part of price will come in carcass only. The
Right.
shutters is of less price because I have used plywood in the carcass. It's showing major difference. If in case I have used MDF or HDHMR,
Okay.
it will come down at least 20 to 30,000.
Okay. So let's say you are using worst material. Let's say we are using the cheapest cost of material. Okay.
Yes,
Just for
yes,
our understanding.
yes.
So even for the cheapest material, only for one cupboard, it's costing us 1 lakh. Is it?
No, if it's in cheapest material, it would come under 60 to 70,000.
Okay, so one
Yes.
cupboard cheapest material 60 to 70,000. Okay, so
Yes, yes.
when we are saying plywood and first class, do we categorize any, like if I go to a shop, okay, and if I
Yes.
say I want a plywood, first class
Yes.
plywood, what plywood he would be giving? Like, do we call it some name or something?
Yes, it would be of 710. That is like water resistant. Water resist. There will be of water resistant, boiling water resistant.
Okay.
If the moisture won't affect the plywood.
Okay, so
Yes.
just only one question, then we'll move on to the next. So if I
Yes.
want to buy this material in shop, right? What
Yes.
is it that I need to tell the shopkeeper? I want a 710 plywood, is it?
Yes, it's a 710 grade plywood.
710 grade plywood, okay. So
Yes.
it's
Yes.
kind of a good quality thing.
Yes, it's a good quality plywood.
Okay, so we don't want to compromise with material because it's a one-time thing, so no doubt in that.
Yes.
So overall, one cupboard with excellent material, top class quality. We are
Yes.
getting the guest bedroom for 130.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so as a designer, right?
Yeah.
What do you suggest? What else should we include? Which a room should definitely have.
No, basically what clients do is will this is a modular part, right?
Right.
The wardrobes, the kitchen, and everything they will go in the modular part.
Okay.
Yes, if you need any side tables, beds, or anything, we can go that with the same laminate in non-modular.
Okay.
It will cost somewhat less than the modular part.
Which
The
the
material,
non-modular, which is customizable thing.
yes, which is customized. The material will be of same, but the quality and material will be of same.
Okay.
But as coming to non-modular, the prices will be low compared to the modular.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, because I as a designer, I will give this code at least for 6.5 to 7 lakh
Okay.
for a client.
Okay.
As it is non-modular, it's coming to 8.5 because this is done in company. It will be done in Bangalore and it will be coming here. So they will have the charges for transportation and everything.
The materials and all, is it?
Yes, yes. For everything end to end, they will charge like
Oh, okay. So if
for
I have, okay, got it.
yes,
And let's go to master bedroom. Last, I will not take more time.
yes, yes, yes. This is a master bedroom.
Okay. So in master bedroom, I'm getting a cupboard and a TV unit.
Yes, this will be a 3 by 4 TV unit.
Right.
The material which we have used is plywood.
Mm-hmm.
The carcass.
710 grade.
Yes,
Okay.
the plywood. Yes, 710 grade.
Okay.
For every room, I have used the carcass of plywood 710 only.
Okay.
For only the French shutters, it is like MDF.
Okay. Which is for solidity.
Yes.
So here also, right, if I see the TV unit, which is very small, and it's a plain basic model, it seems, with not much designing or something. So it's
Yes.
like a basic model, and
Yes.
that itself is costing us 7,200.
Yes.
What is your comment on that?
No, 7,000 is not a normal price for TV. For this simple unit. If you are going for heavy units, that would cost around at least 15 to 20,000.
Okay. Okay,
Yes.
and again the cupboard is 1 lakh plus. Okay, so
Yes, this is basically a 8 feet cupboard.
okay, okay.
Yes, this is the bigger size cupboard. So the price is very high on that.
Okay. I'm not sure what is it that your designs are differentiating me from others, and what is it that I can only get from Live Space and not from others. So maybe
Oh.
as you suggested, right, your experience center could make it different. So
Yes, yes.
uh,
If you are coming to our experience
sure,
center, you can see the quality of the
right,
quality of products what we are using,
right.
and what are the differences like compared to Homeland or any other interior designing company. What is our specials? We can explain in the experience center.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
That makes sense. That will save both your time and my time.
Yes, yes, yes.
Right. I'll let you know
You can
before.
only visualize when you see the material, right?
I agree.
So coming to easy, and if you are seeing the material on live, it would be very great.
Right. I agree with you.
Yes, yes.
Okay, I'll let you know before I come.
Sure,
So
sure,
we
sure.
can book a slot.
Please let me know before one day so that I can book a slot.
Sure. Yeah, we'll
Sure,
let
sure.
you know.
Will it be in this week on the
Yes.
Saturday or Sunday?
Yeah, this weekend only. Before
Sure, sure.
or like before this weekend or this weekend, not after that.
Sure, sure. Okay. Please let me know before one day so that I will book a slot.
Sure. I know you need to plan slots and everything. So
Yes, yes. Because Saturday and Sunday that is like houseful. The
I
lease space will
agree.
be like houseful. So.
I agree. So is there anything in soft copies that you want me to choose designs from for even for these things or anything? You can share me those as well.
No, if you are coming to EC, there will be some particular designs like wardrobes and the shutter designs and everything. You can choose directly from there only.
Okay. One last
Yes.
thing, because this seems good. So this 54th slide, that second figure, right? If I say directly with this 710 grade of plywood, how much will it cost?
For what? Can you repeat it again?
In your presentation, slide number 54, second photo.
54. Yes, 1 minute.
Sure. Yeah, this one.
54.
No, the one that you opened. Yeah, this
Yes, yes, yes.
one. Yeah, second photo.
This one.
Yeah.
Yes, we can design this also.
I'm just like approximately how much this would come, because the basic one that you showed me was 7K.
Yes,
What
yes.
about
This
this
is basically not for the rooms. I think this will be of bigger size. This would be at least 6 feet in width.
one? Okay, and the
So
one
it is
that
only preferable for living areas. This would come around 50 to 60,000 easily.
okay.
Yes.
What is it that makes it 50 to 60? Is it only material or something else as well?
No, it basically depends upon the material only.
Okay, it's all about like material for that much small things only. It's like 60K,
Yes,
is it?
yes. This the height would be of 7 feet and this width would be of 6 feet.
Okay, 7 6.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I thank you.
Okay, I can show you some designs when you are visiting the EC.
Sure.
I can share my screen on there, and I can share if you like any designs. We can include in that our POQ.
Sure.
Oh.
But I think, right. Yeah. This is good. Maybe material wise, I don't have much knowledge. So
Yes, yes. You can inquiry about the material also. What will be the better? Like, is it 710 or HDH plywood, HDF or MDF? You can inquiry and you can have an idea about that.
and if you are fine with that, if I want to compare the pricing, right? What
Yes,
if
yes.
if I ask you, right? What is like with this material? Should I compare in terms of one SFT something or 1 feet 1 inch? What is the unit for measurement of this thing?
No, basically in leaf space we can't measure it in SFT. Like if you are making a box of 5 feet,
Okay.
if it is in non-modular, I can measure it like 5 feet into 1 feet into 1200 or 1300.
Okay, let's take this much. So one feet cross 1 feet. Okay, that small
Yes.
piece. How much it
Yes.
would cost?
No, if it's in no, so these modules are already existing in Canvas. So it automatically takes the price. We can't take the price of them.
No. So why I'm asking is like if I want to compare like at what cost you are giving me this material compared to what cost I could get that material. So I need to have some point of measurement, right? Okay, this much amount for this much piece of wood.
Okay, I can tell you one thing that only the 710 BWR plywood cost you around 105 to 115 rupees in between per SFT.
Per SFT. Okay.
Yes.
That SFT thing is what I was looking. Okay.
Yes.
I'm good.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks, Abhishek.
Thank you so much. We'll be looking for the EC visit.
Sure.
Yes.
You are in office or home? It's around 11 p.m.
No. I'm in my home only.
Okay. Nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, we'll be going to the EC when we have a client visit or something.
Right.
That's it.
Unnecessary.
Else we'll be working from the home only.
Correct.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thanks, Abhishek.